Okay, I'm going to video this as a remembrance of where the septic tank is. So, there's the big garage with the door. Originally, I'm going to come off of the bathroom here, sling it down underneath the gutter pipe, bring it down at a 45, bring it over and 45 it back, and catch the pipe. But the pipe wasn't there. Instead, I went underneath the shed power, which comes from the corner of the house. The French drain is underneath that that's just a downspout that goes out to the gutter pipe that I just showed you. The French drain is down about 9-10 feet in the ground, and the shed power line is right there that comes down on top of it. I have a picture of that. So basically, the shed power line, which goes to the shed right there underneath the window, the shed power line should be right on top of, I don't know, maybe 5 feet at this point, should be the French drain, which comes around the bush, and we thought around the septic, and goes down towards the burn barrel, which is down there, pokes out in the ditch. So that's originally what the Ekströms did. I thought that the septic tank was on this side of the bush, so I thought I could dig right in, tie into the pipe, which comes from the bathroom. Right next to the door right there is the bathroom. Downstack is right there. It should come right down here, right in front of the tractor, right underneath the tractor, and right where I was digging. The problem is, when I was digging this way, I thought that the pipe would be coming in here. I hit the tank. So the tank is actually here, not there where I thought it was. So right here, I don't know if this is going to focus or not. Right there is where I hit the edge. You see the rock is on top of the tank. So the tank is there, that's the side of it. So there is no pipe. And then over here, when I started digging, knowing this now, I started digging and I started hitting the top of the tank here. So then, with a hand shovel, knowing that this is the top of the tank, it's got to end someplace. It dropped off right about there with my shovel, and I was able to find the clay pipe. So the clay pipe comes in from the house into this side of the tank. The tank is probably, well, you know what, let me get the spray paint real quick. I'll know where the tank is then. Shake. So if we know that the tank is here, and we know that the tank is there, we just kind of square that out real quick. If it's a square tank, that's where the tank should be. The tank is going to be there and there. I don't know how far over it goes. It could go, it could go anywhere over there. But we know that the pipe right there goes into it somewhere on this line right here. So right there's the edge of the tank, and there's the pipe coming straight in. So this is where I want to tie in. Which basically means that instead of coming down and in, I need to come further and in. All right, I've got that all documented now, so I can remember for later. And that's going to be the bathroom setup, which means I'll have to put all this dirt back into that ditch and connect this one closer to me where I'm standing right now. Okay, here we go.